In a land where ancestors never sleep, and the voice of the gods still whispers through the wind, when greed enters the heart of men, the spirits of the land awaken in anger. Two men sold the sacred land of their fathers for silver, power, and pride. But the gods do not forget. The gods do not forgive. When the first blood drops, the land begins to speak. This is not just a story, it is a warning from the ancestors.
Have you killed the king now? The king will never die, so forget it. They want me dead. I trusted them.
No, my lord, you cannot die.
I am here for you, my king. I will always protect you.
We will kill the king and sell the land. He never knew the story of the land.
Do you think the land will be mine after paying you my chiefs?
Yes, the land is yours. Just pay us.
We are here to protect the king.
Is that your own business? Go back to your station.
So you are part of them. Land money is so sweet. The king is very stupid. He owns the land. The king is a London boy who doesn't know the story of the land. Please, give me beer, please.
The ancestral land. The curse begins soon. Only on Erelu Royale Media.
Thank you for watching Erelu Royal Media. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more movies, documentaries, and royal entertainment.